morning. It is Saturday morning. We are headed out to Waiheke Island where we're going to do some wine tasting because what else? We are on the ferry and we're sitting on the top and we are in the front. This is our view right now. We haven't moved yet, but this is the view of the city and the ferry building.
And they gave us a glass to start with, so we are starting with a mimosa.
And there we go. Waiheke Island is an island about 13 miles off of the coast of Auckland. It's about a 45-minute ferry ride from the downtown ferry terminal. Ferries are super easy to use. Round trip to Waiheke is about 44 New Zealand dollars or 25 US dollars. The island is well known for its breathtaking views, beaches, and of course, wine. Most of the wine grown there is Bordeaux-type grapes because of the climate. You'll see some Sauvignon Blanc, but it is not the typical New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc that you'd expect to get from Marlborough. We booked a tour through Enjoy New Zealand, picked us up at the dock. It's about 15 people on the tour, and it took us to 4 wineries and had lunch at one of the wineries. Our first stop of the day was Poach's Stamp Wines. They bill themselves as selling boutique wines from artisan vineyards. Our first stop of the day, this is Poach's Stamp Winery, and we're starting with a sparkling rosé.
Is very much a French grape-inspired island. The first place that opened up really went for Bordeaux blends, and to this day, any one of the 30 vineyards on the island does a Bordeaux blend. Ours is quite traditional. It's a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, and Merlot, done in a very standard recipe. It's complex, it's slightly sour, it's slightly savory, slightly sweet. Yeah, nice. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Our second stop was Stony Ridge, the second oldest winery on Waiheke Island. They specialize in Bordeaux-style wines. We are at our second stop of the day. This is Stony Ridge. We are starting with a rosé again.
Made from Pinot Noir.
Made of Pinot Noir rosé.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, for our first course, we are having tuna ceviche. And of course, wine.
Wine!
Goldie Estates is the oldest winery on the island, with the first vines planted back in the 1970s. It is now run by the University of Auckland Wine Sciences Department. Our last stop of the day was Cable Bay, which had absolutely spectacular views from their terrace. They specialize in whites like Sauvignon Blanc and Gewürztraminer, and Bordeaux blends.